This SMCI trade might double your money in no time. Stay tuned. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. All right, what up, Taikuns? Welcome to Taikun Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing educational stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. We're looking at SMCI, which is Super Micro Computer Inc. Now, what we're looking at is the daily chart. We're looking at the hourly chart. Okay, so if we scroll in, we can see a clear inverted head and shoulders, clear as day. Okay, so clear as day. In my opinion, if we break out, we will probably be able to get to around 1220. Okay, so that would be the first price target right there, 1220. You see that's around 200 points away. We'll put that as PT1, make that green, and our breakout would be right around here. Okay, all right, so that would be our breakout, and let's look at that on the 4 hour. We'll look at that on the 4 hour. Yep, clear as day. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. If we break out above here, it's go time. In my opinion, it's looking like it will soon because we have this bullish divergence right here. You see that? It's forming. And we see the same thing happened over here right before it started running. Okay, same bullish divergence, higher low, lower low, lower low, higher low, and then it broke above previous highs, kept going. Okay, that is what we're expecting over here. We have, higher low, lower low, lower low, higher low, making a higher low over here as well. We're just waiting on that breakout above. I would even say 1060, around 1060. Above that, I would say a breakout. Let's actually make that an alert. Create an alert at or above. Cool. So above that, I would be on the lookout for the breakout. That might be the breakout right there, and then 1220 is the target. Okay. It's a really popular stock, so you might want to be careful because all of the popular stocks normally get hammered by volatility, amongst other things. So you might want to watch that. But in my opinion, 1220 is the it's a solid price target. But if we're looking for like places where it could chop at, I would say right around maybe here. I'll make that like a chop zone. Boom. So you might have a little trouble right there. And then the ultimate price target would be right here. Okay. So that is the SMCI trade that I see. Happy trading. Make sure you join our free newsletter, the Taikun Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.